For this recipe we have ground turkey, you could use ground beef, we have potatoes, celery, carrots, onion. For the sauce we have the diced tomatoes, parsley, garlic and some other spices. We'll grate our carrots, our celery and our onions. This is our ground turkey mix. You could use ground beef, we like turkey. We also put more vegetables, as you can see, than ground turkey. I added chopped onion, some extra dry chopped onion. I'm going to put about a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, black pepper and some panko breadcrumbs. Inside I have my grated carrots and my grated celery and some parsley. We're mixing all this before we get a paste. We will put our meat in the refrigerator until we're ready to stuff our potato boats. And so I have my coriander spice, I have my paprika, I have my cilantro leaves, salt, black pepper, and I'm going to stir this with my onion and garlic and then add my diced tomatoes. It smells so good, the aroma of the spices. Now my diced tomatoes can go in, and of course you could use fresh tomatoes. We're going to prepare our potato boats and any leftover, which means the inside of the potato, we'll cut up and put it in our sauce. So this is the sauce where we're going to put our potato boats in. I am sauteing my turkey mix before I'm going to put it in the potato boat. We're going to take our potatoes, we're going to leave them in the skin. So we wash our potatoes very, very well. And we'll take a spoon and dig into the potato to create a well per se. And I will stuff them up. The inside of the potato that we have taken out to create our boat, we put it inside our sauce. So I'm going to take my filling that I've mixed very well and I'm going to put it inside my potato, inside the hole that I carved, and press down. Put a little bit more and press down. As soon as I do all of them, I will put it inside my tomato sauce that's cooking right now. And the inside of the potato I use also. So the potato goes inside the sauce and we're going to put a little bit of water and cover it so the potato and the meat can cook inside the tomato sauce. So this is the first boat in.